Hi, I'm Paula. I'm a junior in crop, and I started my SAT with a 570 and I got up to an 800. When I first took the PSAT and I got a 570, I was honestly shocked. I had thought I would have done better, and I knew I had to join some sort of program that would help me study to get to where I wanted to get to. Before I had joined the program, I was a good math student, and I didn't think I would score as low as I did.
Can you describe our program, Piece of Pie, in 2 or 3 words?
Amazing and reliable. You need to know that you're going to have to put in a lot of the effort. Just by signing up and going to classes, you're not going to get the the increase in your score that you want to see. But if you put in the work and you put in all the effort that you need to, you'll 100% see it. I think having to answer questions, and if you got the question wrong, explaining it, like they would go through every single question anyone in your group got wrong, that helped a lot. It got me to an SAT score that I can submit to all the colleges that I want to apply to. And it also let me be done with it really early in my junior year.